Hey guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. We took a little break up in New Jersey. We went to the LZ Invitational. So got back. My car is getting some minor things corrected on the paint that were wrong when we got the car. And now we have this P100D Model S here. And this is what happened when Dukes of Duval got a hold of this thing last night. All right, so we're out here with Dukes of Duval, who has been absent from the channel. He's been moving and stuff. So, and I was gone out of town, but we have a loaner Model S P100D with 73,000 miles on it. So this car is capable of like mid 10 second quarter miles. It's no slouch, but it is older. And so we're going to go take it out.
It says it right there. Speed limit 85.
Go ahead and push the car button. Push pedals and steering. Push Ludicrous Plus.
Yep.
Turn off, click, yep. And then turn off range mode too. When close up, turn off range mode. All right. So it's pretty much ready. Oh. Dang. Checking out the girl's butt. All right, so this is P100. I called it a P85D, didn't I? P100D.
Yeah.
So this is the fastest they made before the Plaid. And then let's put this on. And so, way different from my car. It's got the wood. Hey, girl. And let's get the AC crankaged. All right.
I like it.
So look at the wood, like the real wood. It's gonna be fun until 85, and then it's gonna get. I tried every code I could think of in the app, and I couldn't disable the speed limiter. Yep, I tried everything.
And it doesn't give you like a max number of like.
No, you can try as many times.
Dude, they did that whole roof in one day.
Shit. And they charge like 20 grand.
Jesus.
That's a scam.
That's a fucking scam.
All right.
I tried to like.
You were gonna shift?
Oh, it's got
the regen.
Yeah. Oh, let's see if I can come to a full stop without fucking hitting the brakes.
That's how I drive it. I never use the brakes.
Oh, you gotta get good at gauging.
You wanna try self-driving?
I will in a minute.
Okay.
I hate this guy right here, man.
Who is he?
He parks his shit on the road every time.
Oh, yeah.
Blocking traffic.
Hello.
It was like quarter throttle, maybe.
This thing's, it's not a slouch at all. This thing will beat most everything. We're not allowed to touch the Plaid, but it's still fast. This is what everybody was ripping at the drag strip before the Plaid came out.
That's right. This was it, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yep. And they were running 10, low, like mid 10s in this thing. Loaner. Max speed sucks.
Will it burn? Like,
no, it's all-wheel drive. It ain't gonna do shit.
It is. I got you.
Yep. Top speed. You hit the top speed.
But your car.
We'll smoke this thing. Way faster.
Way faster.
Way faster. And that's the fastest this will go.
Yeah.
I mean, it'll keep, and also,
85, so there's nothing holding it back up until 85.
Right, and these cars are also notorious for running out on the top end, so they get slower as you go faster. Plaid doesn't.
I felt that from the beginning. It was strong.
Yep.
Jeez.
But there we go. I mean, it's got a good.
It backs off as soon as it gets up. Yeah.
And it doesn't have launch mode either, so there's no drag strip mode. Your vehicle speed just reached. I just got a notification. Your vehicle speed reached 3 miles per hour before the top speed limiter. Let's see. Hold on, I want to see what it says.
So it's got the amperage. Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's the charging. My car, you have to push like this. But this one, it has it kind of on the screen all the time. This one has a little bit different.
How much can you get a P100 for right now?
Oh, they're cheap, man. You can get this thing cheap.
Well, like 10, 15 grand?
No. Like 30. I hope it's got good brakes. I don't even know how the brakes are. Are the brakes good?
They're all right. I mean, they did the trick. Plus the regen, it was fine.
This thing fucking rips, dude.
This thing is insanely fast.
It's fun, right?
It's a lot of fun.
This would be fun for a daily driver, and it's comfortable, and the seats are good. This one, the guy was saying this thing was in bad shape, but this thing's not in bad shape.
I would take this all day long. I like the color too.
Yeah, blue.
All right, so where does it show me my range?
So,
oh, you got a left tire is low.
I know, a little bit low. Right there. Where's it? Does it say? Let's see, charge. Consumption. What's your battery life? Do you see it? Oh, you got 86 miles left.
Where's this? Oh, right there. Yeah, I see it.
So it'll sit on the charger.
If we juice it a lot, it's going to pull it down quicker, right?
Yep. And I'm only charging it on the 110 volt, so.
So it takes longer to charge?
Yeah, it'll charge all night and get like 20 miles.
Really?
Yes. It just gave me another text. Your vehicle just 3% of your top speed. Because we can't go here, look. Go off!
Yeah, there's nothing. They got that on full lock.
Damn it!
Oh, it's got Joe mode.
What's that mean? Halo Joe mode reduces the volume of your car's chimes.
Huh.
Why is it Joe mode?
Sure. Let's see the radio.
Okay. Let's see. Tune in. Music. We'll have to stop the video, but yeah. Ex-wife?
No.
No, that's not her. That's going to hit. All right, so.
All right, so if I go back and do it twice, but if I won't do it at that speed, right?
Let's try. Push. Is it backwards or forwards? I don't remember.
It was forward.
Forward. Yep. There you go.
But it wants me to kind of keep my hands on it.
Not all the time. It'll remind you every once in a while.
Check it every once in a while, right?
Yeah. No, it'll stop automatically. You don't have to do anything. But be ready just in case it fucks up. So it's going to see the light. It's going to say stopping.
It's interesting. The speed limit is 45, and it's doing 50.
Well,
so
we set it.
Oh, did like always go 5 mile an hour over?
I don't know if it's going to turn. I don't think it's going to turn, is it?
I don't think it did.
Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Okay, so I don't understand that part yet.
Yeah.
And then it turned off your full self-driving.
Yeah.
So I don't know how to make it turn.
There you go.
Yep.
The bottom
It still doesn't. You can tell it runs out where mine just keeps on going on that.
It does.
After about 3 seconds.
It pulls the whole time. That initial launch is pretty.
It's pretty good. It hooks up. I can't wait to see if you can back this thing in there.
Now turn right onto Portside Drive. In 500
You can wear that battery down. It's definitely not as strong.
Yep.
Now turn
You're at
left onto
70. Yeah, you're only at like 20%. Also, we haven't even been like nearly charged this whole time. We've been at less than 30% battery.
Does that make a difference?
Oh, totally. Yeah. It's slower. It's not even near as fast. Because like if you go here. What the fuck?
The full
It's charging. That's where your battery is, right?
Yeah.
I picked it up.
How long will it take to charge this whole thing up on 110?
Like a day and a half.
Oh my god.
I can't reach my charger because the golf cart's in the way.
I would honestly bring.
Let's roll the golf cart out and put this thing in.
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah, so I can put it on the big charger.
Cord to work. I can charge it at work
Now
every day.
turn left onto Ashley Manor.
Make your work put a charger, level 2 charger in.
Or just put
They'll do that too. They'll put it in if you ask them to. Be like, hey, we got a bunch of employees that want to do electric cars.
Yeah.
Can you guys swing for a 50 amp level 2?